Alright guys, we have arrived here at Stafford Speedway. It's my first time here. I see our beautiful Crown Vic there with 4 brand new tires on it. So we're gonna get settled in, get all our stuff put away, driver's meeting coming up, and then we're here to win this thing. I said last time I just wanted to finish. That was my first time finishing one without being taken out by one of these savages. This time, I'm taking out savages and I'm gonna win. So that's the plan. We're going into this to win. We're here to win. So come along with us. Let's get this going. What up, man?
Ready to go?
I mean, we're not teammates today, but yeah. What's up, brother? How you doing?
I have a feeling that this guy might take it home.
I came into this feeling like I would win today. Like, that's how I'm feeling.
I love the confidence.
Yeah. I'm not going to be friendly today. I'm here to kill.
Besides
Sorry,
me.
bud. I was just telling him I'm here to kill.
What up, big dog?
I'm friends with no one today. I'm here to win. It's my time. I've lost enough of these.
All right, we'll save this clip for when he takes everyone out.
Yeah, yeah.
And remember, we only have so much manpower on pit road. Haul ass in there. They're running around trying to fix your guys' cars, shift it into gear, and go. The tires are scuffed. So we're gonna have some good, some used. Remember, folks, that button is only for when your foot is to the floor. We all have the horn claspers horns. Let's put on a hell of a show for these people. It's sold out tonight. It's gonna be a freaking badass show. All right, guys, thank you.
So glad you're doing that.
It's hot in here.
Yeah.
Just made our first qualifying passes, made 3 laps. First time for me on this track. I really like this track. It's super fast. It doesn't look as fast as it is because it's so small, but if you get after, you can go through these turns pretty quick. Turn 2 is pretty fun, pretty tricky. Turn 3 is awesome. So I got a good feel for it. We'll see where we end up, but I'm happy. I got a good feel for the track. Let's see what we can do.
Okay, so you're like on and off the gas, sort of, trying to get it to rotate. Because you know, drag racer, right? Run in there straight, kind of get it turned, and then
Kick her out.
and then run her straight off.
Okay.
And you know, you'll feel if you're burning the right rear or just plowing the right front. You want to just kind of average
Balance.
those
Okay.
as much as you can.
That's good advice.
That's what I do in traffic.
It's got no rust. No, that's old. That's old. This
Don't
is
pay
old.
that any attention.
Okay.
This is old.
You're not,
I don't know if that's old.
that's only going to help him, right? It's going to help him?
I think I came out of turn a little hot. Still got this. I was expecting for it to put this, but I didn't. So we're in good shape. Oh, but like, what's the plan?
Just gotta get up there. Yeah.
Just gotta get up there.
Just gotta get up there, but
That's it.
people in front of us, we get past fairly easy.
Showing them how Florida no type boys do it.
One of the camera Johnson, you hear that camera guy?
I passed him about 4 times last week.
I've seen him about wipe out and qualify, so I think we get past him early.
We just gotta get up there.
Just gotta get up there.
Do we want to get there early or do we want to wait?
We just don't want. We gotta get up there before they get past us.
Alright,
And then we'll get up there, let them get past us, we'll follow the fast guys, and then last 5, we just let them have it.
Let him have
So
it?
they're gonna have to show us something.
Let him have it.
Alvarez, the number 23, is here. Dick, that's finished in Crown Vic last time out at Indy, got a top 5. Think you can improve a little bit on that. First time here at Stafford. What are your first thoughts about going out there during qualifying?
Well, so the last time I had fun, now
You're ready.
Yeah, so I'm ready, and it worked out. Me and my boy Jackson, we got a plan, we qualified right next to each other. We're going to take today, our way up to the front quickly, and just pull them off.
All right, well, I see him back there behind you. We'll see if that strategy is going to change at all. But again, just look at the crowd, look at the people that are here. This is what it's all about.
Yeah. So this is awesome. And I'm going to feed off now while we're driving. We're going to flat front.
All right, best of luck. Victor Alvarez in the number 23.
Make some noise for the future. NASCAR Hall of Famer Greg Biffle. Driving RVs across the country, maybe even pumping it into a vacation here and there in a year. And I told him I didn't think about it until I got here. I was going to bring like 1,000 roses for the 1-year anniversary. But hopefully to win tonight with a trophy. Can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight for the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare through the night, that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave? home of the brave.
Underway for for the burnouts. It's going to be the look coming their way here. It's made its way from the infield down to the front stretch as well. Look at things here.
That was insane. USA! USA! Hell yeah, brother. Guys, that was insane. That was, you guys are, the energy in here is intense right now.
We had a blast. So, man, that was just, like I said, that was some of the most fun I had racing a race car in a damn long time. Guys, one more time, let's hear it for Ryan Preece. Come on.
Had to be very strategic on what I was going to do. But I think I didn't use my nitrous until the very end. I think I had like a leak or something because I was like holding the button down. I couldn't even tell. Like you could usually hear it, nothing. But it was, dude, this is the hardest track that we've run on. It was hard. It was good.
Need something? I can help.
This is like the most challenging one. You have to really drop. It's hilarious. It was good.
It's slick in some spots.
Well, it's like you go into the turn really high and it holds it, and then you get in the middle of the turn and you're sliding. But it was sick. That was fun, bro.
Did you finish?
I think I was like 6. He was toying with us. That dude's just, like,
It's all about having fun.
I think I made like my best lap, and I was like, where the hell did he go? We should put him in a car to go down the track, but something good, not your car.
Then I guess we're both out on that deal.
No, I could put him in the pro mod, but I don't know if he's quite ready for that.
Last time we saw that, it looked just like this fireworks show.
Did it? No, that was after like 10 runs. And even with the fireworks show, that thing runs quicker than your car is ever going to run. Fair. All right, guys, so we finished. Had a blast. This track is really, really hard. It requires a lot of talent. Unfortunately, I'm a straight line racer, and I just didn't quite have enough. But I did really well, I felt. But I think my car this might be the last race for this car. I was coming out of turn 4, a little hot, and I smoked the side of my car. What up, guys? So let's see. My mirror went flying, and it knocked my belts loose, and it rattled my teeth. But maybe it wasn't that bad. Oh, that's not bad. Oh, that's not bad. Yeah, we can work. Oh, wow. We crinkled the quarter panel a little bit. But some of that's from before. That'll buff out. So, had a blast. I'll keep trying and getting better. But man, racing with these NASCAR guys really shows you how much talent and skill those guys have. I was making like my best lap, and Biff was just driving away from me. So, had a blast either way. We'll keep practicing, keep doing it. I think the next one's October at the Freedom Factory. I have a little bit more experience there. This is my first time here, and this one was really slick. So I gotta go for the win at Freedom Factory and try to get it there. Hopefully the prize is real good. And thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. We'll have some more super content, and hopefully we'll have a huge track update very, very soon. We've got a lot of stuff going on, some stuff we haven't shared with you guys, and that update should be up in a day or two.